Welcome back to Motion Time, your go-to channel for all things motion and design. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the top 5 websites where you can find incredible 3D models for your project. We'll explore each website's unique features, community engagement, and additional resources. So, let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is Archive3D. While Archive3D may not boast the largest collection compared to others, it excels in providing specialized 3D models tailored to specific industries and niche areas. From intricate furniture designs to architectural elements, Archive3D offers a curated selection that can add a touch of realism and authenticity to your project. Additionally, Archive3D encourages community involvement, allowing users to contribute their own models and expand the platform's offerings. Moving on to number 4, we have Free3D. As the name suggests, Free3D is a haven for artists seeking freely accessible 3D models. With a vast collection spanning numerous categories, such as characters, environments, props, and more, Free3D provides an opportunity for artists on a budget to find high-quality assets without compromising their creative vision. In addition to the models, Free3D also offers tutorials, textures, and other resources to support your 3D projects. Coming in at number 3 is CGTrader. CGTrader stands out as a versatile platform catering to both professional artists and hobbyists. With a comprehensive library of 3D models, ranging from free options to premium assets, CGTrader provides a flexible approach to suit various project requirements. Beyond the models, CGTrader hosts design challenges, educational webinars, and a vibrant community forum where artists can connect, collaborate, and showcase their work. This engagement fosters an environment of creativity, learning, and inspiration. Next up, at number 2, we have TurboSquid. TurboSquid has earned a reputation for its unparalleled quality and attention to detail. Housing an extensive library of premium 3D models created by industry professionals, TurboSquid is a go-to destination for artists seeking top-notch assets. Whether you're working on visualizations, game development, or architectural projects, TurboSquid offers meticulously crafted models that can save you time and elevate your work to new heights. Additionally, TurboSquid provides detailed product information, including polygon counts, textures, and file formats, ensuring that you have all the necessary specifications for seamless integration into your workflow. Sketchfab is not just a website, it's a vibrant community and a powerful tool for artists, designers, and educators. At its core, Sketchfab provides a vast and diverse library of 3D models, covering various categories such as gaming, art, architecture, fashion, and more. Whether you're searching for realistic character models, detailed architectural designs, or imaginative creatures, Sketchfab has an extensive collection that can cater to your creative needs. What sets Sketchfab apart is its interactive 3D viewer. Unlike traditional 2D images, Sketchfab allows users to explore models from every angle, zoom in for close-ups, and inspect intricate details. This immersive viewing experience provides a deeper understanding of the model's form, texture, and overall quality. With Sketchfab's viewer, you have full control over the lighting and material, enabling you to customize the look and feel of the model to match your vision. But Sketchfab is not just about showcasing 3D models, it's about building a community. On Sketchfab, you can follow your favorite artists, discover trending models, and engage in discussions. This fosters collaboration and inspiration among artists, creating a dynamic environment where ideas are shared and creativity flourishes. Additionally, Sketchfab's embeddable viewer allows you to easily share your models on websites, portfolios, or social media platforms, expanding your reach and showcasing your work to a broader audience. Sketchfab also supports integration with popular 3D software tools, making it seamless to upload and manage your models. Whether you use Blender, Maya, Unity, or other industry-standard software, Sketchfab provides plugins and integrations that simplify the workflow and streamline the sharing process. This ensures that your models retain their quality and integrity throughout the entire creative pipeline. And there you have it, an extensive exploration of the top 5 websites for finding amazing 3D models. Each of these platforms brings its own unique offerings, from specialized collections to engaging community and interactive viewing experiences. Whether you're a professional artist, a hobbyist, or an enthusiast, these websites cater to a wide range of needs and provide the resources necessary to bring your 3D projects to life. Thank you for watching this in-depth analysis on Motion Time.